Hello mga Fumie natics! This is the second part of our tutorial. This is the boot manager. Select the bootable USB and press enter. The Apple logo and the progress loading bar will appear. Before we proceed to the installation, make sure that we are connected to the internet. And then we go to Disk Utility to erase the partitions of the hard drive. First, we need to delete the partition. Go to Utilities and select Disk Utility. And then, we select the hard drive or the storage device that needs to be installed with macOS. We're going to select the storage device, SSD or HDD that needs to be erased. From here, we're going to select the 320GB hard drive, then click Erase. And then, after we click Erase, we need to name it. By default, we name it Macintosh HD. And then click Erase. After we indicate the details, click Erase, and then on the confirmation box, click Erase. The erasure of the partition will now perform. We'll wait for a moment, and then the partition and the hard drive is now ready for installation. After the erasure and the drive initialization, we will now perform the macOS installation. First, we need to exit the Disk Utility. After we have erased and prepared the drive, we will exit the Disk Utility by clicking the Close button. And then, click Continue to proceed. And then select the hard drive prior to this installation and click Continue. Note, make sure that you have the internet connection via Wi-Fi or via LAN. This is the actual process of installing macOS. The installation process or the appearance may vary on what macOS version you are installing. After a few restarts, we are now at the configuration page. We need to select Show All and then select the country we are living. From here, we select Philippines and then click Continue. Select the keyboard layout, click Continue, and then input our Wi-Fi password in order for our MacBook device to connect to the internet. If we receive this error, click Continue and select Other Wi-Fi or click Other Network Options. If the password is correct, click Continue. And then click Continue again, then click Agree. From here, we will create a user account. Just type the full name so we could integrate the username for this and as well as our default password. After we configure everything, macOS will now set up your desktop. As you can see, we are now proceeding to the desktop. So, we have completed the installation of macOS Yosemite to this MacBook 2009. To safely remove the USB flash drive that is attached to this MacBook, go to File and then eject the flash drive. It will now safely remove the USB flash drive. This concludes our two-part tutorial for installing macOS on MacBook 2009. I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe to this channel, Fumie Tweak TV. See you in the next video. I'm going out.